mentioned in the article, you were talking about a one-time stamp duty. Can you elaborate a little bit more about that for us?
Okay, so in other countries, they have what's called property taxes, and you pay that on an annual basis. We don't have that in the Turks and Caicos. We have what's called stamp duty, and it's a one-time payment of duty, and it's based upon the value that's set out in the transfer. The transfer is the document that transfers ownership from seller to buyer, and based on the value that's in there, basically the purchase price, the purchase and sale price, stamp duty is calculated on that. The rates of stamp duty differ. They differ depending on which island you are on. So for instance, Providenciales has the higher rates of stamp duty versus the other islands, Grand Turk. And then it's also based on the value of the transaction. So for instance, $25,000 and under, there's no stamp duty paid on that. And then the scale goes up 6.5%, speaking of Providenciales, 8%, and 10% as you go up the ladder in terms of the value of the consideration.
Okay, yeah, and I know on the other outer islands, the stamp duty is even less.
Yes, 5%.